It's thousands of years old. They've been fighting forever. We'll never end it. But that's not what the current issue is about. The current issue is an issue that we should have known about, that we've seen happen more than once. And you only have to go back about 100 years to understand why it was bad.
This conflict between Israel and Palestine over the last several decades has been about theological differences between Islam and Judaism. No one's arguing about whether the most important prophets descended from Abraham's son Isaac or his son Ishmael, right? It's not about whether to fast during Yom Kippur or Ramadan. It's about land. Portraying the
That's the issue that he's brought up. The battle right now isn't because the Muslims are trying to convert all the Jews are trying to convert all the Muslims, or the Christians are being oppressed. That's not why they're fighting now. That all has happened, right? They've all fought each other over those issues in the past. But that's not what's happening now. Right now, it's about politics. It's about land.